Hello YouTubers. Today I'm going to do a video of this White-Westinghouse 12-inch oscillating table fan that I got yesterday from the Facebook Marketplace. That's the Holmes 12-inch oscillating table fan I got yesterday as well. And I already did a video of that one, but now I'm going to do a video of this one. So that's what it looks like right there. So let me just go ahead and set this down. There we go. All right. Okay, you can see the fan pretty good. Okay, so that's what it looks like on its front side. There it is on the side. I don't know what model number it is. And then here it is on the back. And that's the knob right there to turn it on. I like the looks of these knobs, like these type that the Shell manufacturing fans have, because they have like that little fin on them. The Holmes has a knob on the back too, but it doesn't have the fin like this one does, or how another type of fan that is made by Shell manufacturing would be Super, which I have a 6-inch Super that I did a video of. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I'm going to make sure the camera's still recording. Alright, we're still recording. I don't think it's on oscillation. Alright, so we're going to start with whatever speed comes on when I flip the switch. So here we go. And then here goes medium. Oscillation, high speed, medium on oscillation, and then low. And then off. There we go. Pretty good spin down on it. So that's the 12-inch White-Westinghouse oscillating table fan. So thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a great day.